Explore freelancing platforms for diverse skill opportunities. Share knowledge through online courses and webinars. Create engaging social media content for brand collaboration. Sell handmade or digital products on online marketplaces. Start a blog and monetize through ads or partnerships. Offer virtual services like consulting or coaching. Participate in affiliate marketing for passive income. Invest in stocks and cryptocurrencies through online platforms. Become a remote technical support or customer service agent. Pursue writing gigs for articles, books, or web content. Design websites and apps for businesses and individuals. Create and sell digital art or music online. Translate content for global audiences and earn casually. Develop gaming apps and earn through in-app purchases. Join online survey sites for small yet consistent earnings. Build a YouTube channel and earn through ad revenue.